Hi guys, Kelly here, and today I am bringing you an oldie, but I haven't reviewed it, so I'm bringing you Blue Blood. So this is Blood by Jeffree Star. I'm going to say Blue Blood so wrong so many times, so you're just going to have to roll with it, I guess. But my favorite thing about Jeffree Star is that his attention to detail with his packaging. I mean, yes, it looks like a coffin, but it's a pastel blue. So, do you really think coffin, or do you think jewelry box? I kind of think of coffin, but it's definitely, it has the nice pattern right here, and then the blue blood. The B on blood for me is a little messed up. I don't know how well you guys can see that right there. But yes, and then there is the blue chrome hardware. There is, of course, information on the back. And when you open it up, I have used this. I mean, I've already used all of Jeffree Star's stuff, but there is a nice big fat mirror right there. Yes, this is my filming setup. A Clorox wipe container. Yes, I actually have some Clorox wipes. Clorox. So as you can see that there are a lot of different colors in here. A very blue tone, very cool tone. There's a couple of little warm, pops like right here and here. But they're very light, and it's more for transition shading, blending, and so on and so forth. I'm sure that you have seen swatches, so I'm not going to swatch up my hand, because then I'm going to have to clean it later, and I'm already on a cleaning spree. So, but there is, let's see, the mats are minty right here. I'm Cold right here. Untouchable, that's a nice transition-y pink shade. Priceless, which is right here. That's a Power and Blue Blood, which are both right here. Let's see, and then Blue Monday and Flourishing right here. This one is not really showing that well on the camera, how deep of a teal it really is. It's more bright in person, so I can't really help that. I mean, it's a phone camera, what do you expect? Let's see, and then there is Wealthy and Celebrity Skin right here. These two, and then we have Cremated and Undertaker right here. Now this is not a black, it is a very dark navy. There is a one glitter, which is Glotion. Nice. Ocean Ice. And then the rest are all shimmers or satins. Most of them are mattes or shimmers though. So with all of Jeffree's stuff, they blend well. They have a light, they layer well, lasting power, and they are amazing. I love Jeffree Star's products, and except for I haven't gotten the conspiracy theory one yet because I'm just not into the story color. So I don't want to go and buy something that I'm not into just to complete a collection. That's not the kind of person I am. I don't want to spend $52 on makeup that I'm not going to wear. So that is that. I want to get through these. The ones like this one's been out for a while. I want to get through these pretty quickly. The reason why I'm not wearing anything on my face right now is because I'm not going anywhere. It's 5:45 in the afternoon. I'm in for the rest of the day. Plus, I'm just kind of futzing around my house, cleaning it, and yelling at my dogs. So, and I'm making masks for my local hospital. But, and anybody who wants one. So, I'm trying to get through these pretty quickly. I have an Anastasia Beverly Hills one that I need to do. I have, and then I think I have another one that came in the mail today. And that one I have to wear and try before I review it. I've already tried and reviewed many of Jeffree's stuff, so this is just kind of a quick little blurb of these of Blue Blood. I will be doing. You may notice that I have boxes for my for LOL dolls. I have almost all of them. I'm missing, I think, Winter Disco or whatever, the DJ Winter Disco one. That's because she is expensive and I can't find her anywhere under $100, and I'm not paying $100 for a doll that isn't really worth it. I don't know why she's so expensive. So, but I have all of season 1, all of season 2, and then I have all of the Neon Lights LOL dolls. So, yeah. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Share, like, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below about whatever you wish. Try to make it a positive comment, and not everybody likes negativity. And right now in these trying times, a little positivity could go a long way. Remember to always be you, stay strong, and be beautiful. What is with the light? You guys see that? How it's like brightening and darkening, brightening and darkening? Weird. Bye, guys.